Hey guys, welcome. Good morning from Catba Island, and the time is right now 7:30. I'm just having my coffee, and yeah, my breakfast is also ready. Thank you. So I've ordered butter jam along with bread. So today's plan is I'll be keeping the bike here only, and there is one package which I have taken. वो boat में जाना, and then they'll take to some of the places, and उसमें kayaking भी included है. A lot of activities. अभी मेरे को भी इतना clearly मालूम नहीं है क्या क्या. So let's see how it goes today. Till then, good Monday, have a good morning, and see you on the boat. Till then, bye, take care. So this is the Catba Island. Wow. So I'm right now with the 3 Estonian guys. I'm following them. So they have taken the same package just like me. आज थोड़ी ठंड कम है कंपेयर टू yesterday, बट स्टिल आई हैवंट टेकन एनी चांसेस. मैंने जैकेट पहन के रखा है क्योंकि इधर का वेदर इज़ लिटिल चॉपी एज आई सीन yesterday. अभी ठंड नहीं है, लेकिन मे बी फर्दर इन द डे ठंड बढ़ सकती है. नो रिस्क. So today is Monday, business as usual. Can see some people going about their daily work. So here we are at the docks. So we are on our way towards the ticket. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So finally we are on the deck.
make it 12. Yes. Now it's a half past 10. Yeah. So 1.5 hours. Yes. So now we are right here. Yes. So here we get on the kayak. And so we get off the kayak. So we take kayak, we go straight ahead all the way down here this way.
For kayaking. Whoa! I think it's coming, right? तो ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 घंटे हम कायाकिंग करने वाले हैं एंड इट्स गोना बी वेरी वेरी एक्साइटिंग. Beautiful. It's so peaceful here. very best. My head is once again we are going on the kayak exploring cave. Shall I sit? Okay. So guys, this time I'm paddling the kayak solo. You can see I'm all by myself on this kayak. Wow, what a view guys. Zabardast. Maza aa gaya. वेलकम बैक गाइस. तो अभी टाइम हो गया, इट्स लाइक 4:45 एंड वी हैव जस्ट कम बैक फ्रॉम दी बोट राइड. काफ़ी बढ़िया थी. वी स्टार्टेड अराउंड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 8:30 एंड इट्स लाइक 5:30, तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 9 hours ऑन दी बोट. सुपर्ब फेरी थी, मज़ा आ गया. लव द व्यूज़ एंड kayaking भी which I did for the first time was great. Nice experience and I would definitely recommend this Catba Island over Halong Bay. काफ़ी beautiful है. There is no crowd, very less number of boats, and the overall package for this tour costed me around 520,000 VNT. So right now I have nothing to do, so I'll just take the coastal road, जो कि एक ही coastal road है. We still have like 1 hour of daylight left, तो बस enjoy the views till it gets dark and then I'll be returning back to my hostel Woodstock. Till then, enjoy, have a great evening, see you, bye. So guys, from here we'll be turning back, क्योंकि कल जब मैं यहाँ पे पहुँच गया था तो it was almost dark, so I couldn't see anything. So that's the reason I have come here again, ताकि मैं देख सकूँ कि exactly क्या व्यू था ये जो मिस हो गया रात को. Wow, it's really nice. So now on my way back to the hotel,